Do you know that you can be paid by just watching YouTube videos? Yes, you heard it right. That's right. Today we are going to reveal 6 platforms in which you can be paid by just watching YouTube videos. Now stick around to the end of this video so that you can reveal these websites. Imagine being paid by just watching a video like this. And remember, these apps won't pay you more money. These apps are not going to make you rich overnight. But with little consistency, making it a daily habit, you can cash some good amount of money into your pocket. Now the first app is called PrizeRebel. This is a platform where you can be paid by watching YouTube videos. So what you need to do is that you can sign up, then head over to watch section. Then start watching your favorite YouTube videos to earn points, which you can later redeem them into real cash. Now the requirement here is pretty simple. A little bit of your time, an internet connection, and some effort. Then you could be making at least some extra income into your pocket. So if you want to get some starter bonus, you can use the link in the description here to get started. Now the next app is called Givvy Videos. This app welcomes everyone, no matter where you are. And this app gives you a chance to earn money by just watching YouTube videos. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google Play Store and then download this app. Or you can use the link in the description for a startup bonus. Now, once you have downloaded this app, you can simply sign up using your Gmail account. Then you navigate to video section. Then start earning money by watching this video. You will be paid once the video finishes to play. Another platform is called Paid Work. Paid Work is the most popular app that is known for paying its users for watching videos. Simply sign up with your Gmail account, create a strong password, then watch a video for at least 30 seconds for the points to be credited into your account. Now, once you have reached your minimum withdrawal threshold, you can cash out into your PayPal account. As always, if you want some quick money, you can use the link in the description. Another app is called InboxDollar, similar to Swagbag, but InboxDollar pays you to watch videos, including YouTube clips. Now, once you have downloaded this app, you can install it into your device, then sign up with your Gmail account. Once you have signed up with your Gmail account, you can head over to watch section on the dashboard of this app. And remember, you need to have an internet connection because you can't watch videos on this app without data connection. You will get paid by just watching these videos on this app. And the cool thing with this app is that the payment method is through PayPal, or you can choose a variety of gift cards that you prefer. Kashkick is another platform that pays you for completing various online tasks, including watching YouTube videos, taking surveys, and playing games. And the best part with this app is that it is user-friendly. Now, if you want to maximize your earnings on these apps, make sure to be consistent. And another thing that you need to do is that you have to explore multiple apps to diversify your earnings. Now, apart from watching YouTube videos and earn money, there are some other legitimate ways in which you can make $1,000 per month. Just to name a few, we have affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission. Another way is that you can start a blog, then monetize it. Start your online store or run your own website. These are other legitimate ways in which you can make a good amount of money online. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. This one will help for YouTube algorithm. And also make sure to share this video with your friends who are willing to make money online. So see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.